So, as you may know, there are many different various amphibians, reptiles, and even some fish who possess the most mysterious trait of regeneration, meaning they can regenerate different types of body parts, such as tails, uh, spinal columns, fingers, toes, etc. So what is regeneration even? And how can humans possibly find that, the secret of regeneration? Well, regeneration is when a certain part is broken off or torn apart, either by defensive mechanisms or by real life. When that happens, there's a process which forms a thing called a blastema. A blastema is a mass of undifferentiated cells that form at the site of the injury, and all these cells contain the same identity and the same copy of each other. So they're all literally the same part of the same body of cells. They all have the same identity. They all have the same DNA. They all have the same structure, etc. And they form the blastema, which resimulates the lost body part and then slowly, or actually quickly in most instances, rebuilds it. So they literally all see themselves as part of the body or the whole, and not as isolated beings or differentiated beings. That's what human beings see. When human beings first realized themselves and that they had a consciousness, they automatically differentiated themselves from the whole or the collective, if some might call it that, or the mass, or the the body, the actual body. So the key to actual regeneration as well as healing is through the loss of self-identity and the realization of the awareness of the group. And that group is the body. If we allow ourselves to finally leave our identities and our senses or our self-ego behind and only see ourselves as part of the body, the whole, the group, then we can become those undifferentiated cells, and then thus we can discover true regeneration and true healing for humanity.